Hard Times Come Again No More. Sometimes. Hard Times is an American parlor song written by Stephen Foster. It was published in New York by Firth, Pond & Co. in 1854 as Foster's Melodies, No. 28. Well known and popular in its day, both in America and Europe. The song asks the fortunate to consider the plight of the less fortunate and ends with one of Foster's favorite images, a pale drooping maiden. The first audio recording was a wax cylinder by the Edison Manufacturing Company. Edison Gold Moulded 9120. In 1905, it has been recorded and performed numerous times since. The song is Roud Folk Song Index number 2659. A satirical version about soldiers' food was popular in the American Civil War. Hard Tack Come Again No More. Lyrics: Hard Times Come Again No More has been included in the following. Dolly Parton opens her 1980 song, Hush by Hard Times, with an a cappella verse from the song. The North Carolina band Red Clay Ramblers featured the song on the 1981 album Hard Times, recorded by Irish singer Mary Black on her 1984 album Collected. Akiko Yano sings this song on her 1989 album, Welcome Back. On Sid Straw's 1989 debut album Surprise, Straw and ex-frontman and solo artist John Doe recorded a version of the song by Kate and Anna McGarrigle on the 1991 Songs of the Civil War collection by Emmylou Harris in her 1992 live album At the Ryman, by Bob Dylan for his 1992 album Good As I Been to You, as the penultimate track on the 1992 debut album From the Lost Dogs, Scenic Roots. Harvey Reid plays his acoustic guitar on his 1994 album Chestnuts. In Series 1, 1995, of the Transatlantic Sessions, Hard Times Come Again No More was performed by an ensemble composed of Kate and Anna McGarrigle, Rufus Wainwright, Emmylou Harris, Mary Black, Karen Matheson and Rod Patterson. The 1995 movie Georgia with Mayor Winningham and Jennifer Jason Leigh sung by Mayor Winningham and band. The 1995 movie The Neon Bible performed by Thomas Hampson. Nancy Griffith on her 1998 effort Other Voices 2. A Trip Back to Bountiful. Ambassadors of Harmony perform an a cappella male chorus barbershop arrangement on their 2000 album Sing Sing Sing. The 2000 Appalachian Journey. For voice and piano with Edgar Meyer. Bass, James Taylor. Vocals, Mark O'Connor. Violin or fiddle, and Yo-Yo Ma. Cello, Johnny Cash on the Redemption Songs disc of the 2003 Unearthed box set of outtakes and alternate versions from his American recording series. Mavis Staples recorded it for the Grammy Award-winning album Beautiful Dreamer. 2004. In 2005, the song was included in the soundtrack Cameron Crowe's Elizabethtown, performed by East Mountain South. The 2005 film My Brother's War by Whitney Hamilton. Matthew Perryman Jones included it on his 2006 album Throwing Punches in the Dark. Andrew Bimas recorded it on his 2006 album Rail to Reel. Bruce Springsteen and the E Street Band's 2009 Working on a Dream tour and captured on their 2010 release London Calling. Live in Hyde Park concert video. Mary J. Blige and the Roots at the 2010 Hope for Haiti Now, a global benefit for earthquake relief telethon. In the Season 2 finale of Parenthood by the same name, the song was contributed to the soundtrack by Brett Dennen. The 2012 Voice of Ages by the Chieftains, with Paolo Nutini. The 2012 SD Colophon collection of Estonian folk pop group Folkmall. An Iron and Wine performance featured in commercials promoting the 2012 Copper television series on BBC America. Black 47. On the 2014 album Last Call. The 2014 9/11 Memorial Commemoration. Bagpipes adaptation. Kristen Chenoweth performed the song on her 2014 live album Coming Home. Katie Trehan sings it on the Tear Fund with West End Has Faith 2015 album Speechless. Joel Plaskett's 2015 album The Park Avenue Sobriety Test. Annie Moses Band performed the song on their 2015 album American Rhapsody. Australian artists Paul Kelly and Charlie Owen included the song on their 2016 album Death's Dateless Night. Civilization Vi uses the song as the theme for the American Civilization. Madeleine Peyroux sang it on her album Secular Hymns. 2016. Jennifer Warnes. From her 1979 album Shot Through the Heart. Audio. Hard Times Come Again No More. Edison Male Quartet. Edison Gold Moulded 9120. 1905. Cylinder Preservation and Digitization Project. Hard Times Come Again No More, at the Vaughan Williams Memorial Library.